back at it again. This is week, I think 9, video 9 that we've filmed. We're in a hell of a mess inside the garage, look at it. Let's have a quick looky around here. I was given lots of great instructions from the chats from last video. If you haven't watched that, please go back and have a quick look. In 1 week, we've had spiders in here already, awesome. So, first things first, be told, strip the auxiliaries, strip off all the bits on here that do not need to be on here. That's going to be interesting. Right, I'm going to set up a couple of cameras. Just get at it. Now I do know this is a drive shaft. Difficulty that I've got is, if you have a look in there, hopefully you can see, this bolt here is, look how tight it is up against there. Literally is no, absolute nightmare. Got it?
But it might have just been the heat, it might have just been the heat. I'm just like...
That little bolt took me a while. So
hopefully... Good luck.
Yeah, you good luck. Hopefully, yeah, look at that. Flipping heck. Right, let's see if it'll come out now. Hey, look, there we go. Oh my gosh. I did a thing! There we go. Brilliant. Nice. It's the first drive shaft out. Well, disconnected anyway.
You started them off.
Yeah, that's good. Right. There we go. Right, now this, we think.
Oh crap, just leaking oil everywhere.
I did a thing.
Look, your dad stop. You actually look. It's everywhere. Actually.
Yeah, move this out the way.
Dad.
I can see.
Right, not good.
We got a flood. Go. Yeah, I did that. Now, how the hell are we going to clean that up? He's not going to clean that up, I'm going to clean it up. So I reckon my brother was having a laugh when he said, do that, pull that out, and he didn't warn me. It's full of oil. Yeah, cheers, James. Good luck, Dad. He legs it.
Cheers, son.
This one here. One display ball. That one didn't. He did hurt himself. He did it. That was harder than I thought. So, yeah. First time I've ever used one. That was. Got a ball joint removal tool. So what you're going to do is pop it in between, I think they call it the bush, give it a good old whack, and then it releases. So that's cool. So one down. This other side, one of the bolts is causing me a bit of grief. So the bolt in question is this bad boy here. This one here. Problem is, watch, it moves. So as soon as you try to put a bit of pressure on, it's causing me an issue. So after all that excitement yesterday, leaks and everything all over the floor. I got absolutely filthy. Imogen's around today, it's a Sunday, so we're going to start working on the car. I've got a little present for her. What do you think of this, guys? Little overalls. So Imogen's got a bright pink one, favourite colour, and then me and Theo blue ones. But I was getting some embroidery planned to be put on it, so got a name on it, which is a nice touch, but come on. After that mess yesterday, I was like, no, if we're working out of today, I'm not having any of her clothes get destroyed.
No.
What do you think?
Let's go inside and change into them real quick. See you in a minute. I'm in the overalls.
Well, that went down well. Look at us in our little overalls. There we go. So, shall we start the work?
Let entertainment begin.
Now that's a good one, let the entertainment begin. I need me one of these. So straight away, bolts coming off. We're out. Come on. So that took me
Cha-ching.
Yesterday, I reckon, about 40 minutes giving it a go. Borrowed one tool, Bosch.
Cha-ching.
Not quite. Just pop out of there. There it goes. Well, that is both of them off. Fantastic. Next. Excuse me. Let's get these out of the way. Done. Good. There we go. Much easier. Woo-wee! There we go. Happy? What do you think?
Yeah.
I think we should be taking this bit off first. This is part of the exhaust. I know I've started with it here, but I don't know if it's really should have taken off the exhaust first. When I got the car, one of the things that I was told was the chap tried to start it and there was a bit of a spark, but that was it, nothing else. So first thing we did when we got it here, chucked in a battery, went to start it and it was absolutely dead, car didn't do anything. Which is why, firstly, we pulled this engine out and just thought, sod it, let's just rebuild the whole thing. That was always the plan anyway. However, I am fairly certain that there, which was just rested like that, is not a good thing. Still love it though. So I think the exhaust has got to come off because I think this is the starter motor bracket. There's a bolt there and I can't get to that very easily. Another one down there. However, this one here I probably could get to if the exhaust and potentially the turbo comes off. Okay.
Oh my god.
Don't say about holding this tight. That's it, two hands.
My hands.
That's it. No. This one, no. I'm guessing that when you're undoing an engine, you undo it in a certain way. That's why we're struggling, because it's my eyes. I'm getting blinded. Don't
Line
do that.
divided line.
No. So, yeah, I think you obviously undo it in a certain way, and then you can get to certain bolts. Someone who's done a Renault 5 before is probably like, you donuts, what you're doing, you should be taking off that bolt to get to that bolt.
Got my legs see.
Look at that.
Yes! I think we did it. We did it, guys.
So what? How about spanner?
Spanner!
Splatter.
Okay, tight.
Oh, here it goes. Yeah, that's exactly what you need. See, got it?
Yeah.
Oh. And just learning which tools to use.
Because we got no phone.
Nah, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're learning, aren't we?
Huh? What else do we need to get out
One,
to get this
two, 1, 2, 3 there. There. So it's just
One more.
one there, one there. Yeah, I think it's just these two. One there, one there.
Is it easy to get to? Or not?
No, this one here is like to be pretty rusted on. So, if in doubt, ask your old man. He's just said to me, just got on the phone to him because of course he can't walk over with his broken leg, and he said, "How about right? The exhaust is attached to the turbo. Do you even need to take the turbo off the exhaust for now? Just take the whole lot off and then have a look at it on the bench, heat it up, or whatever." Seems sensible. So I'm going to keep cracking on with that.
Keep going all the way. Oh, there you go. That's why. There's 2 more nuts in there.
No!
There we go. That is why it won't move.
It's actually loose.
There we go. There's the washers. That's fine.
I just.
There we go. There you
I haven't
go.
been told
There's
to.
your carbon inlet manifold.
Woo!
Right, there you go.
Yes!
There's your turbo.
Finally, hold on.